Question number 6 asks us to translate the sentence into a formula, or to take the verbal expression and create an algebraic expression from it. The question gives us 4 times pi times the radius squared is the surface area of a sphere S. So times is a multiplication. 4 times pi, and then we're going to take 4 times pi and we're also going to times it again by the radius squared. We don't know what the radius is, and they don't give us a variable for it, so we will create our own variable, and we're going to use r squared. Is an equal sign, the surface area of a sphere. Now again, here they don't give us the variable for the surface area of a sphere S. They give us the variable to reference the sphere. S references the sphere, but they don't give us a variable for the surface area of the sphere. So I'm going to use the variable a. Putting that all together, we will have 4 times r, 4 times pi, 4 pi times the radius squared, so that's going to be r squared, is equal to a. 4 times pi times radius squared is the area of the sphere. 4 pi r squared is equal to area. Number 7 gives us 1/3 the product of the length of the side S squared and the height h is the volume capital V of a pyramid with a square base. Let's start here with 1/3. Replace that with 1/3. The product of. So here we're going to underline the product of, because this is the same verbal expression as the difference of, the quotient of, the sum of. And what does this mean? It means parentheses around the next 2 terms. And the next 2 terms is the side S and the height. Let's move on. The side S is squared, so we're going to replace this with S squared. Is an equal sign, the volume capital V of a pyramid with a square base. So let's put that all together. We're starting with 1/3 parentheses S squared, and this and is not a sum. This and is a multiplication. The product of means I'm multiplying the next 2 terms together, the S squared and the H. So S squared times H is an equal sign, volume V, capital V. So here's our algebraic equation using the verbal expression.